Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, Rodeline Filipina Married to Indian. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Okay, so it's 3 in the afternoon here, and I'm going to prepare a chicken curry, my version of chicken curry. And yes, you're thinking why it's too early. Actually, when I cook fish or chicken, I intend to prepare earlier, because the taste will be much tastier. Ayan, that is one of the reasons. Okay, so let me show you to you what are my ingredients for the chicken curry. Alright guys, so if you will see, I have here a chicken. I have 6 pieces of chicken here. It is actually skinless. Yes, because they prefer to eat, skinless. But there is bones. Yan. So additional flavor is the bones. So don't remove the bones. Okay. So I intend to prick it a bit. Yan. I intend to prick it so that once we start the marination, there, it will go inside. There. It's a bit only. Then I will add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste there. Okay, and then a bit of salt. You will see. A bit of chili powder. As in, sprinkle lang talaga siya. Para hindi rin siya spicy. Because when you will serve this to kids, should not be spicy. So, we don't put this chili powder too much. And the chili powder that I use is, it's for coloring only. There's a bit of spiciness, but not that spicy. Ayan. Then, I will add also haldi or turmeric. Actually, turmeric is very good for the body. They said this is like immune booster. Yan. Diba? Ngayon ngang may COVID, karaniwan ng tao gumagamit ng turmeric. Ayan. Di mas lalo siyang healthy. Then, I will just mix it. Okay. I will just mix it. There. Kita nyo? Diba? Kulay pa lang. Ganda-gandang tingnan na. It looks already, good in the eyes. Ayan. So it depends on you if how many pieces of chicken you want to cook. But for me, I would just, cook 6 pieces as they are not much into, a chicken actually. Yan. But always cook chicken curry with bones. There. Okay, there you go. So I already mix it. And then you can just keep it in the fridge for at least half an hour. Yeah, half an hour is enough already. There. Okay. Yeah. The smell of ginger and garlic paste is really, good. Why I intend to put ginger garlic paste? Para mawala yung lansa. Minsan kasi di ba meron yung lansa? Minsan dun sa manok. Diba? Yan. And to add a flavor and for good smell na rin. Yan. Okay guys, so now I will make a gravy paste. Yes. So for my gravy paste, okay, so let's just put oil in the pan. Yan. And be generous na in putting oil. Yan, be generous in putting oil. There. Kasi, the more na maluluto mo itong onion and tomato mo, the more the tastier your chicken curry is. Okay, so this is my secret, If some people, they tend to make a paste out of onion and tomato without cooking it. But for me, I cook it first, so it's easier to make it a paste, using a blender. So I also have here a peppercorn. I have 4 pieces of peppercorn. Yes, let's just wait for the oil to get hot. I also have here, if you can see, I have 2 bay leaves. Yan. Okay, so I will add a bit of chili powder, only a bit of chili powder, and then salt. Okay, then I will show you now. I will add now my peppercorn and my bay leaf. Okay. Yeah, let it crackle for a bit. There. So now I will add now the onion. Ayan. You know, guys, you can also do without doing the pasting of the onion and tomato, but you just need to do finely chop the onion and tomato, as in finely chopped, and when you started cooking it, it will get mashed. Yeah, so I will show you in my following vlogs how I cook chicken curry without using the blender. Ayan, kasi gagawa tayo ng paste eh. Itong this time what I'm cooking is a paste one. Okay, you need to cook it. Put it in high flame. There. Yeah. You need to make it brown, not burn. Make it brown. Ayan. Okay. Yes. They tend to eat this chicken curry with a roti, but for me and my husband, we like it with rice only. There. So he already changed a bit of habit. Usually he always eat roti like this, but now he likes eating with rice. Yan. So medyo natuto na siya na nahaba na siya sa atin. Ganyan. So guys, my chicken curry is very, very easy. That if you will watch properly how I do it, you know, you will get the taste of it. Very good taste of it. Diba? Yan, naamoy-amoy ko na yun. Why I put it in high flame? I put it in high flame because we need it to get brown. We need to get it brown fast. Yan. So, because it will take time, she will put in medium flame, you know? Because I want my onion brown. But I also don't want it to get burned, so I need to stir it also. Yeah. So, if you don't want to put a bay leaf, you also can remove that later on. You know, once you started cooking the gravy, you can remove the bay leaf. Yeah. So, sometimes I put, sometimes I don't put. Yes, for the added flavor, we will put the bay leaf. Adjust the flame a bit. Okay, so you know guys, here in India, they tend to eat chicken without skin and without bones. Yan, so skinless and boneless. Yan, but there's a very different taste on the chicken. Because usually the taste of the chicken come out from the bones, right? And from the skin. So for me, I used to eat chicken with the skin and bones. So once I taste the chicken boneless and skinless, so the taste is really for me dull. You know, as per my taste is very blunt. You know, like sabi nga nila blunt taste. Ganun. Kaya I keep the bones. But the skin, no, because my husband no one and my daughter. So I remove the skin and later on I will fry the skin separately. Okay? Medyo malapit na siya mag-brown. So brown na siya. Ayan. Diba? Alright guys, so our onion is already done. You can see. Should look like this. There. I'm only done. Then I will add again 1 spoon of garlic ginger paste. Stir. Okay. So if you don't have a garlic ginger paste, you can actually make finely chopped garlic ginger. Yan, finely chopped. Yan. And then, I will add the tomatoes. Yan. Let me add the tomatoes. There. I'll add the tomatoes. And I will add very less salt. Why? So it will get cooked easily, the tomato. If you will put salt, it will get cooked fast. Ayan. I will add very less chili powder, just for the color. And then again, I'm going to add very less turmeric. Ayan. Diba? Kumbaga, it depends on the spiciness that you want. Kasi yung asawa ko, ayaw din niya ng ng spicy, masyado. Kumbaga, gusto na niya yung spicy na, ganun lang. Ayaw niya yung spicy na, ganun. Ayaw niya. Talagang may konting kurot lang ba sa dulo. Ganun lang. No, hindi rin siya maano sa maanghang. Ayaw niya. Kaya, kumbaga sa akin, tamang-tama lang din, di ba? Kasi hindi din ako maano sa maanghang. Yung anak ko din, hindi din naman. So, kumbaga, saktong-sakto lang. Ganyan. So, kung gusto niya na maanghang, dagdagan niyo pa siya ng chili powder. Ganun lang yun. Diba? So, ito sa atin, talagang tama lang. Ayan. Nasa ganyang level lang tayo. Yun, nasa na level lang. Wala pa tayo dun sa ganyan. Diba? Ayan. So, malapit na pong maluto ang ating tomato. Ayan. There you go, guys. So, if you see, diba, na-mash na yung ating tomato. Ayan, ganyan lang kailangan natin. There. So, we will set aside this until it cool down. And then, ilalagay na natin siya sa blender. Ayan. Gagawan tayo ng paste. But make sure na cool down siya. Ganyan. Bago mo siya gawing paste. Alright, guys. So, if you can see, this is already our onion, tomato, ginger, garlic paste. Ayan na siya. Diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan. So, I remove the bay leaf on the side. Ayan. Okay. And then, I will add again oil. You know, actually, here in India, they use too much oil. You know. So, I will put oil, but not that much. Okay, so earlier for frying onion and tomato, I have added oil, which is around 5 to 6 spoon of oil. Yan, tablespoon. And then now I will add again additional 5 tablespoon of oil. Ayan. So, you know, the more the oil you will put, the tastier the curry, chicken curry is. But since we also don't want to have problem with our cholesterol, so that's how I measure it. Okay, but if you will compare to Indian chicken curry, my oil is still less, very less, right? Okay, so now I already put oil in the pressure cooker. I'm just waiting for it to get warm. If you notice, I always use pressure cooker. Why? To lock in, you know, the smell, to lock in the taste, to lock in the moisture of the food. That is the reason I use this. And also, we just need to do 2 sitties or 2 whistles. But if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can still use your pan or pot. Yan. I will do a vlog regarding using a pot or a pan in cooking chicken curry. So please subscribe for more updates. Yan. Okay. So now I will add now our paste. Ayan. Okay. So still there's a lot of paste inside. I will add water. Okay, so I will add half glass of water in it. Yan. Okay, everything is added. Let it boil for a bit. I will add again a bit of salt. You see, very less because earlier I put less oil. Okay, so for my chicken curry, I don't want it too much salty. Just enough. Yeah, I will add coriander powder. See, so this is teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I will add chicken masala. Okay, I will add 2 spoon of chicken masala. There. If you don't have chicken masala, you can use meat masala. There. Okay, let's do this. Okay. There. After that, I like to put kasuri methi, or they call it fenugreek leaves, dry leaves. Yan. So why I put this? This is for the smell, to have that like tea, like leaves taste like this. Okay, I put 2 spoon of that. If you don't want to put that, if you don't have, it's okay also. Yeah. Okay. So put that. Okay, then I will add now our chicken. There. There you go. Our chicken is already added. There. For the salt, once the chicken curry is already cooked and you feel like the salt is less, then you can add a bit. Just add a bit. Okay. So this is what it will taste now. This is what it will look now. There. You can see the color looks very nice. Yeah. Okay. Then I will add a water. I will add 1 glass of water. Yeah. I'll add 1 glass of water. There. I'll just stir it a bit. And then I will cover it. So we need to wait. So we need to wait for 2 whistles. Okay. Yes guys, now let's see what our chicken curry looks like. So this is 2 whistles. Approximately, if you will cook in a normal pot, it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to fully cook your chicken. Ayan. Okay. Wow, look at this. You can see? Kita nyo ba yung kulay? Diba? Alam nyo guys, ang technique nito, paano malaman kung luto na talaga siya? Dapat, yung oil humihiwalay na dun sa gravy. Makikita mo siya sa ibabaw. Yung oil. Ayan. Diba? There. Kita mo naman ang tsura. Wow. Sarap. Amoy pa lang. Talaga namang yes na yes na. There you go. Ayan. Okay. There. Let me show to you how it looks like. Okay. So, this is now our chicken curry. You can see. Diba? Kulay pa lang. Nakikita nyo, ayun yung oil sa gilid. Diba? Humihiwalay siya. Yan. Dapat ganyan na magiging itsura niya. Look. So, for our chicken curry, I had prepared 6 pieces, skinless. We prepared 3 medium size of onion, 1 large, and half tomato. So, 1 large tomato and medium-sized tomato. There. So, mas marami yung onion. And then, I use also bay leaves. I use peppercorn. I use salt, chili powder, and turmeric. I use coriander powder. I use meat masala or chicken masala. And optional, the fenugreek leaves. Ayan. Yun lang. So, ito po, ginamitan natin ito ng blender para maging paste siya. Ayan, kung makikita mo. Ayan. Okay. So, we use rice with this. You can use roti also. Yeah, roti or rice. Yan. Diba? Tamang-tama lang yung gravy niya. Hindi masyadong thick and hindi rin masyadong thin. Yan. I hope you will find my chicken curry interesting. You can try at home. Yes. Please leave suggestion or ideas. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Rodeline Filipina, married to Indian. Ayan. Salamat po. Namaste.